Alright, welcome to Sethioz Reviews. Today we have the Paladou Lavalier microphone. It's a microphone for your Android phone or iPhone, or you can use for PCs as well. Comes with a nice little set of instructions. Let's see, it's pretty standard. I guess if you want to use it for your phone, you're going to need to download and install the application, which is never a big fan of, since, you know, it's a microphone. Alright, so that being said, let's see what it looks like. Sorry, I'm doing this with my phone today. Couldn't get the lighting to do very well with the mounted camera. Comes with a nice little case for whatever reason. Inside here we have microphones are really important, apparently. Extension cable, probably, let's see, here's the microphone. With the cable, plenty of cabling. Extension cable for PC, which would be probably what I'll end up using it for more than my phone, since I don't really have much use for a microphone for my phone, because speaking into it, but you can't hear anybody if you have the phone in your pocket or something. So, plenty of cable. Probably a little bit too much cable for your phone use. And that's just a lot of cable to get dangling around and get in your way. Another adapter. One of these adapters is for your computer. Maybe it's just different lengths for these two. I guess these are like wind guards, I guess you call those. Keep yourself from picking up any wind noise. Alright, so looks like you got three different sets of cables. One's an extension cable, an adapter. They all look like they're the same, all the same ends on them for PC and phone. They're supposed to be, in the instructions, they said there's an adapter for your iPhone. I don't see an adapter for an iPhone. Maybe that one's a little bit different for a PC. So this is PC. These two are exactly the same. Nothing for your iPhone users. So I'll come back here in just a moment with this setup on my phone so you can hear the difference in the audio recording. We'll see if that works for you. So here's the microphone. I don't know if you can tell any difference. I'm moving it forward and backwards away from my mouth. According to the instructions in the pamphlet that came with it, the app is only needed if your phone does not automatically recognize the new microphone plugged in. So hopefully you can hear any differences in the voice recording. I'm not sure. I'll play back the video and kind of test it out, but it's only a few inches from my mouth, as if you hooked it onto your shirt. So hopefully it sounds pretty good. You guys tell me. But yeah, that's what it is.